married. I'm not married.
Whoa, she trying to fast forward. Like, the versatility of this joint is crazy.
Yeah.
You might as well call it Eddie Murphy.
Boy! I'm Chantenique.
And I'm Darreion.
And today we are going to be using the Cuisinart toaster oven air fryer to show you how we make a day's worth of healthy meals. We'll start out by making a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. We'll make some quesadillas for lunch, and then we'll move on to some teriyaki salmon for dinner.
Ooh. Yeah, that sounds too good.
We just want to bring you guys into our kitchen and tell you a little bit about our journey. Okay, so we have gone ahead and made the bacon using the air fryer. We've also made the eggs and the biscuit. Keep in mind, you can also make the biscuits using this toaster oven. No lie, Darreion really does make really good breakfast.
That's it. That's all I got.
We're gonna put a little bit of eggs on our breakfast biscuit. And I generally like to get about 2 pieces of bacon on my biscuit. We're gonna try our biscuit. This is one of my favorite things.
She does love biscuits.
Yeah, I like
I'll call her at home. I'll be like, "What's she doing?" She'll be like, "Making biscuits." Making me a biscuit. Oh my goodness. So A1.
This bacon is really crispy.
It's crispy and everything. It don't even hold a lot of the grease either because the grease is like falling up under.
I think one thing that I noticed is it was super convenient. So you know, like when you're making bacon, if you're both eating 3 pieces, you have to have a pretty big pan to cook 6 pieces at once. The air fryer can hold up to 8 slices, which is like easy, perfect.
You just laying them down in there row by row. I start to hear sizzling and I'm like, whoa, how did this start sizzling that fast? Just chopping up some pieces of chicken for these quesadillas, which as you can see, real crispy and flaky. This air fryer be putting out, because it took, I say maybe 10 to 12 minutes.
It's a super easy and super quick lunch meal.
I know you guys like to put like guac and all that stuff. Oh, no guac over here.
Yeah.
We straight cheese and chicken.
One thing that we also have to work on is we have to make sure Darreion puts his stuff away.
Oh gosh.
But yeah, while we're making this quesadilla, we're just going to tell you our story of how we met.
Both of our families moved into the same neighborhood together, which is kind of crazy. About 4 doors down from each other. We would go on vacations together. That's how, honestly, I ended up meeting Shan, just our families getting close together as far as being friends. She always thought I was cool, but you know, I mean, she was a little, you know, hey.
He always said that. Oh God,
Go
she
ahead.
always said I was cool.
She
he
did.
was okay. Like, you know what I'm saying? Get a little crispy.
Ooh, yeah, it is getting a little crispy. Ding.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's toasted.
Ooh, it looks so
Cheese
good.
melted. Smell that crispy, cheesy, chickeny, quesadilla.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and we are going to cut this up. Let's get into these quesadillas. They look so good.
Look at it. Let's see. Y'all, when you hit a crunch, trying to tell you.
Ooh. Is
Oh
it
my
good?
God. It's so good.
Is it?
Yeah. 1 to 10 is honestly, being completely honest, I'm not boosting. It's like a 9.
It's a 9 because I made it. A 9 because of the air fryer.
If I would have made it, it'd been a 10.
It's the crunch.
Yeah, it's the crunch. You just want to cook something for her real quick and say you cooked it, but you really put it in the air fryer.
I like that one. Cook something for her. That's a good one. Cook dinner sometimes.
Oh, look what I just started.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh,
Our final meal is going to be some salmon and rice. We have gone ahead and put both of our pieces of salmon in the air fryer, and we're also making some rice on the stove. While we're doing that, we do want to tell you guys a little bit about our engagement story and our planning as far as the wedding is concerned. We're super excited to actually sit down and build our registry together. We're a little bit different than most couples because we already have a house, and we are planning to put so many different gift cards on our registry so that we can use that. Oh, and cash funds. They do allow you to do cash funds too. So we can use that to just do some home improvement projects.
Alright, engagement story.
I was planning to have a brunch. Darreion has a really close friend who is a musician. Amazing. amazing. Like, we've already booked him for our wedding.
Yes.
And he was like, why don't we have Frankie come sing some Christmas songs? I'm like, oh, yes.
Yeah, I had a good song playing that I wanted him to play while I was proposing to her. What was it?
Thinking out loud.
It took, she got her ring. It's crazy what you would do, you know, for somebody that you really love and care about.
Aren't you the cutest?
Oh my God.
We've gotten carried away. We gotta get back to this thing.
Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all.
Weird.
Last meal.
Last one. As you can see, we got salmon and rice.
Yeah.
Salmon and rice. What you want? We done gave you 3 meals for the whole day, all in this one corner. Literally quick and easy. It's something that I personally worry about with the air fryer. Is it gonna have that same taste? Is it gonna have that same crisp? And literally everything that we put in it has been A1. So
Let's go ahead and try it.
yes. What you want? Literally, what do you want?
That tastes as good as it tastes in the oven
It does.
for half the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for your own registry inspiration, check out the Knot Registry.
And don't forget to check out our links below and subscribe to The Knot so you can see more videos like this one.
Peace. It's a wrap.